I just finished public school, I'll tell you why it's great. Waking up at 6 a.m. to pledge allegiance to the state. Yeah, it's true, I got my public school blues.
The point is that when you are a small group of people trying to control a huge group of people, the huge group of people is your enemy. So Prussia's, this military leader in Prussia, von Clausewitz, kind of shows us, or kind of provides us a window into the psyche, into the thinking, into the rationalizations of a lot of the self-appointed ruling class at the time. That they needed to basically wage a war on this large group of people that was going to be unpredictable and capricious and potentially had the power to delay or even derail the agenda of those in power. Like, for example, a bigger Prussian kingdom. So, I mean, if you just think, like, when we talk about this, people say, oh, conspiracy theory, this is a them, they kind of thing. But I paint this picture because I want people to understand that there is a different psychology. When you are a small group of people trying to control a large group of people like this, this is, I think most people would agree that this is a reasonable mindset. And just to go back to my own experience, I mean, I think I knew about this psychology because I was trained to be a teacher, and one of the things that they talk about all the time is classroom management. Have you heard that term? Yeah, and that's a big euphemism, isn't it? Because a classroom is just an open space surrounded by concrete blocks with some desks and a chalkboard. It's pretty self-managing, right? So what it really is, it's the science of managing human beings. It's the science of group management. And even though we think about education as this cooperative process, that's not how it was explained when I was in school learning it. It's not cooperative, it's strategic and competitive. You know, it's almost like this group of people with their self-will is an obstacle to your agenda. So, like, that's something that was real for me in the past. Like, I had things that I wanted to accomplish because I had authorities that I had to please. And if the individualistic and self-willed nature of the individuals in that group conflicted with that, it would be a problem. So this is a very real mindset, and it is not conspiracy, and it has gone on this planet for a long time. So I think that's the introduction into this.
Public school, you keep me in good mental health, 'cause without you